Now, the in the recent news, we saw several news popping up as regards Nigerian agro businesses, and it's really something that um, people should put an eye into. Guess what? The World Bank did what they approved 500 million loan for Nigerians agricultural sector. In this YouTube channel or on this live section, we teach and train people on money, finance, and investment. And then every businesses that will help you make, manage, and multiply money is what we are teaching. And some of these businesses that we are teaching are evergreen businesses. If you are just joining us, I want you to type in the comment section your name and where you are joining from so that I can know who and who is up. So these businesses are evergreen businesses. What are evergreen businesses? The businesses I post on my YouTube channel are evergreen businesses. Businesses that when you start now, even the next 10 years, 20 years, they will make you money. Of course, there's some business opportunities that are not evergreen, that are seasonal. Some of these businesses, I try not to push some of these business ideas to you, some relating to some tied to FOMO, right? Fear of missing out businesses, which truly, if you key in early stage, you can make money. But then if you are delayed, if you are late in the entrance of that business, you are likely to make loss. So, but some of these businesses, I don't pitch them. What I show on this YouTube channel are evergreen businesses and how you can make money. Now, in the recent, I'm going to be sharing my screen to you to help you see recent news recent news relating to what's it called relating to Nigerian agriculture business. So I'm just trying to type it right now. In 1 minute I'll pull that up for us. I just had to use ChatGPT for you us. So if we're talking about $900 million times 1,500 exchange rate is 1.35 trillion. You know, the government raising 1.353 trillion. That's a whole lot. 1.35 trillion, 1.35 trillion into the into what's it called into poultry in Nigerian business. And guess what? We have the market. The last time we did the last sensor, I think I was in secondary school then, and then the last sensor was like over more than 7 years back. We were 200 million, and now we still use the statistics of over 200 million. Now we may have gotten to over 350 million because we are not updated in our data. We are not updated in our data. We are going to have 6 poultry projects across Nigeria to process food security issues. This is one of the reasons. These are some of it. Is now by the time we have 6 million eggs a day, each one is supposed to have 1 million laying hens and 30,000 broilers. According to him, the pilot project is located in Oyo State, Southern, and the Kaduna State in the north, with construction expanding to begin soon after final approval. Each facility will operate fully integrated agricultural complex with about 1 million laying hens and 300,000 broilers supported by hatcheries, abattoirs, power generator plants, and feed facility. One of the easiest way you can make money in Nigeria right now is through agribusiness. And guess what? You can link it with real estate business. I used to tell us about the concept of dual investment. Whatever you are doing, and I did this for my organization, a real estate organization. In 2025, we started doing this. Make sure that you make the best of whatever you are doing. Okay, you have a landed property. How can that landed property generate you money? How can you use it for income generating as an income generating asset? Now, this is what the government is doing now. They want to try to what's it called, partner with China, obtain the 900 million loan, and then they invest in in broilers and layers. 2 weeks ago, I was in Delta and I showed some of us on my status. I went to visit a farm, and this farm has broilers, layers, pig, and what was it called, catfish farm. opportunity for Nigerians to make money because there is the market, right? Now let's look at the second news that talked about the World Bank approving 500 million. Now, World Bank approved 500 million International Development Association loan in April 2nd, 2026 to fund Nigeria's sustainable agricultural value chain in the growth projects running from 2026 to 2032. This initiative aims to increase productivity, improve food security, and support 1 million smallholders farmers. This is the full list. Now, what does this tell you? You have to follow where the economy is going, where institutional investors are going. You have to follow where they are going. If they are coming to Nigeria to invest and you are thinking of running out of Nigeria, it's good. You run out of Nigeria, get fund and invest in Africa, because this is an emerging market, right? Whether you are in the diaspora or you are in Nigeria, that is not the problem. The problem is, where are you tapping into the emerging market? China, one of the biggest threats of the US, is entering into Nigeria. The World Bank, they are supporting several funds. And one thing I always tell us about the Nigerian system, this current administration, we are good in raising money. Very, very good in raising money. We are very, very what? We are very, very good in raising money. We're very, very good in raising money. And if that is what somebody can learn from this current administration, I think it's worth it. And so we don't want to miss out on the opportunity. If you are getting value, I want you to type in the comment section, I'm getting value. I want you also to type where you're watching from. So you need to start thinking about dual investment. Look at a location where you can do what? Buy an affordable landed property and do something yourself. The market is there. So now this question is, how can you, this section is how to make money from farming business, even without farming. But bear in mind that you can also make money from farming business, from agribusiness. Now it's an opportunity for you to it's something you have to decide rather what you want to do. But I'm always of the opinion that do dual investment in one. Of course, real estate is cool, but then don't just buy land and wait.